Mandy. Today I'm excited to share with you a phenomenal physiotherapy place called York Med Physiotherapy. So what's going on over here?
At this point, our amazing chiropractor treating our patient with a neck pain. We use different kind of modality like ultrasound, interferential, heat, cold, laser, or so different kind of acupuncture, different kind of modality. So basically, when patient is coming here, our philosophy is patient care, and we want to make sure patient gets better as soon as possible.
Exactly. I actually have a personal experience with this sort of thing. It's my understanding that it's the faster you get treated after a motor vehicle accident, or any accident for that matter, the better and quicker that you heal. Is that correct?
Absolutely, yeah, absolutely.
So what I understand is going on here, you're educating for the future and what to do also at home when you leave.
Education is one of the most important parts of the treatment. We give you exercise, a
homework.
Exactly. A whole program that patient needs to do the exercise at home. Some of them they are here, and most of it is home. Lots of stretching, lots of strengthening, and that's important in terms of recovery.
So Marc and Mandy, if you happen to have any aches and pains and you need a place to go, this is it. Back to you.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.